Hey guys, guess what? For the first time ever, I got a SlayGlam package, but I got the eyelashes. I think they've got a beauty box and a few other things. The beauty box is like $24.99 a month, I think. The eyelash subscription, which I think is fairly new. Oh, this is cute. Is $15 a month, and you get, look at the box, okay. 5 pairs of lashes, and they're different types of lashes. You guys know how I am with my lashes. Now, I did an everyday look today, so I put on a really fluffy kind of lash. It's not like the wispies where they're an everyday and a starter lash. I should put a picture of this in here so you can get an idea of what they're like. The wispies I'm talking about that I usually wear. But I want to try these out. These look pretty neat. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, some are thicker, some are a little longer where they have the longer on the end like these, and then they've got some that are pretty much the same size all the way around. This is going to be fun to try. I'm definitely excited about this. Very, very cool. And you want to take your tweezers when you're taking them out of here too and gently lift them. The cheaper lashes will come right apart. These ones don't look that way. They do have a bit of a thicker band like these. The wispies do not. I will put a few pictures in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about with the band. But these in person, this band is a little bit thicker. Up here you get it to where it's a little bit thinner. And then this is like the thinnest band right there. Let me see. Actually, no. Take one off so you can see what it looks like. They're always sticky because they have to stick in place. But here we go. This, how they lay down is how they would go on your eyes. So this one goes to this eye. Okay. I'm just kind of playing with them a little bit because this is all I get from SlayGlam as of right now. So if you guys have questions about lashes, I'm getting ready to do a tutorial. Oh, you know what? This one I tried to take off with my finger and it got knotted up. Will it come back? Yeah, actually it did. So these are pretty good quality. All right, so I'm excited. These are definitely, I don't know if they're worth $15 a month. We're going to figure that out. But we're definitely going to try them. So I'm going to include a clip of me trying on the SlayGlam lashes. Okay, let's see what we got here. They look so nice and fluffy. I had showed you guys some of them, so I had taken them out of their position, but that's what they look like. That second one there is a little messed up because, like I said, I took it out. I'm showing you guys it. So what I'm going to do right now is I want to measure these lashes against my eyes to see if I need to trim them. Okay. I am choosing not a extravagant looking lash, but a really pretty fluffy kind of lash. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And what I want to do is hold up a mirror and see if I need to trim them, if they're going to be too long. And this is looking like my eyes would be covered in them. So I am going to trim them. I'm actually going to trim them from the part that would go in the inner corner. And I'm going to use very sharp scissors that I only use for trimming my brows and lashes. And I'm going to take that first little bit off. And it's going to kind of stick a little bit because these are sticky. But there we go. I took this off, which has now made the lash shorter, which is going to fit on my eye. And we're going to try that again. So now we are looking much better. I'm going to take a lash adhesive in black. That is what I use. I wear black eyeliner most of the time, so there's all different kinds of adhesives, and some are way better than others. And you always want to focus on putting more glue on the ends, because that would be where they would be most likely to lift. Okay? You always want to wait 30 seconds for this to get tacky. Otherwise, it's going to smear around your eye, and you're not going to like it. And I want my Jeffree Star mirror for this. Yes, where are you? My new orange mirror. Let's wait our 30 seconds here. We got Kayla in the background. You might see her, you might hear, I don't know. We're having one of those days today. This lash, a subscription is $15 a month. I think I've said that. I am going to place this on top of my lashes. It looks like I already got some glue where I don't want it. I'm going to place the back part down, and now I'm going to use tweezers. They do have, some of them come with those plastic tweezers. If you feel more comfortable using those, you most certainly can. And look at that. These are like super fluffy, and they're laying right on top of my lash line, and I kind of feel like they're itchy. Like they're going to get in my way, and I don't really like that. There's lots of different types of lashes out there. I had gotten glue up there, so I wanted to make sure that I had taken care of it, and I'm actually going to go back in and fix that right now. But I can feel lashes, and once you get used to them, you like really no longer feel them, but these feel irritating. Like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep them on. And they are super, super long. So you might want to trim that too. But yeah, I think maybe where I trimmed it to might have to do with why it feels the way it does. But I put it far enough away from my inner corner to where I shouldn't feel it like I do. And something I do not recommend is putting the scissors near your eyes. But I need to trim this because it is killing me. So don't do what I'm doing, basically. And that might be the reason why they were being so irritating. And I'm really like, okay, these are super long and pretty, but guess what? I don't need them that long. Ow, almost pulled my eye. Good. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna make sure they're straight. So yeah, there is a little bit to learning how to do lashes. There is, for sure. But if you practice, I promise you, you will get so much better. Now when I go to take this other one off, I want to feel it because I have to cut it again. And I'm wondering if I need to cut from the back end instead of the front end with these types. So this time I'm going to cut the back off, and we're going to see if that makes it less itchy. Right now I don't feel it, but I took care of that part. Now it's feeling better. So, okay, it might have just been me. Where are my tweezers? I know they're like right in front of me somewhere. I know they are. I just had them. Oh, they're in my lap. Hi. Hello, Karen. Wake up. Okay. Now, oh, I hate it. Why does my nose always get itchy and red? Anyway, I did just sprinkle lashes all over me. Okay, so I should probably trim these while I'm waiting for the glue to dry so I don't have to trim them on my eye. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to hold these up and I'm just going to trim the edges. I'm going to turn them around. So what do you guys think? Are lashes intimidating to you? Are you going to try them? Are you going to practice with them? Because I really do think they make the look. I love it when my eyelashes show up in pictures. I think it just looks so elegant and so pretty. Here we go. All right. My lash glue is still a little bit wet. I always like to put the bottom down first and then work my way over to the inner corner and hold it there for a little bit. And you might have to press it down a couple times, and that's totally okay. And it is much easier to trim them when they are not on your eyes, by the way. Much easier. Yeah. But you do have to, that's why sometimes lashes don't work for you, is because you're not trimming them, you're not realizing that some of them are too big for your eyes, you know, and these are things you need to know. Okay. I think my daughter needs to be changed. I think I smell her. Okay. Now I'm feeling much better about these lashes. For sure. I'm liking them. So I'm going to end this video here because now I've put on the lashes and I have tried one out of the 5 pairs that I got, and they are all a little bit different. And they are $15 a month, and I'm wondering if I can reuse them. It didn't come with a card or anything like that, so it's very possible I can reuse them, which means I might get my money's worth, which I would be super happy about. So look for updates with that. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Try it. Definitely, if you're looking for different types of lashes. But I'm going to be honest with you, if you're just starting out, I wouldn't get this lash subscription because the bands are so much thicker on these than they are on the Wispies. Kiss and Ardell. I don't like all of Kisses, I'll be honest with you. Ardell I do like better. They have shorter ones and longer ones, but the band is like barely there and it's easy to place and it just stays right there. You know, so after your 30 seconds, boom, you're done. And if you're starting out, I recommend those. I highly, highly recommend them. I'm wondering if I have a pair on here to show you of those Wispies. I don't think I do, but the next time I do like a lash tutorial, I will totally do that. All right, guys, I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.